Hey guys, so today we're heading out. We're gonna do some shopping for my new apartment. Yeah, hopefully I get one soon. So we're gonna do some shopping at Dunn's. So Dunn said that they're having a sale. So we're gonna see what we can get. I'm more looking for like wall art and like decor. So let's see what they have available. I'm taking you guys with me, so let's go. Alright, so we're here. Oh, it has music, Lord God. Guys, so we're looking at like the decor now. This looks like a Grammy, like an award. I mean, the gold pieces aren't bad, but I'm not the traditional Jamaican. I don't like glass, I don't like mirrored images, I don't like the silver. I love just like very modern pieces. These kind of have a little vibe. A little vibe. These aren't bad too. Can bring a pop of color to your space. But yeah, not seeing anything I like really in this row. So this piece is actually speaking to me, guys. It's a candle holder. Oh, look at it. Well, it's a flower pot, but I put a candle in there and it comes in the white version as well. And some more. This is not bad. Like this. Well, I'm not really looking for gold tones, but if your house has gold tones, that's not bad. I think somebody is arguing. Can't get shiny, guys. Oh Lord, more shiny. This not bad. And I like the faces. More glass stuff. No. 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 God, these are probably the best thing on the shelf right here. Found more of these. There's a pot holder, but I'll try to put a candle in here. No. Guys, you see, like, this not bad. This could go on a coffee table. You can hold the keys here. It can go also on that table, like near the front door. You can put like keys in here, shades, and stuff like that. This is more too shiny. These candle holders aren't bad. So this is for 9,000. So not bad. I really like the leaf pattern, but I like the tones. The tones are important. On the road, my dear. This would be cute for like a home office. Like a little office space at home. You know, all the way. The home now. Well, yeah. That's basically it. These are pretty popular in the modern scene, but they're falling off. So this should be here and here, but I guess it speaks to the quality. I don't even want to touch it, so Okay, I like this. This and this back here. To me, are like the best things I've seen. Oh Lord, no. Definitely no. This is not bad for who like gold. These, okay, we're getting somewhere. This is 7,600. This is not bad. It looks like a sculpture. You see? That's different. Oh, I love these. I love these. Okay, we're getting somewhere, guys. And I love this too. This big one. Like, this is like when you come into your house, it's something to talk about. You understand? Like, kind of. You hear that, little girl? So, this is a candle holder. These two. This is strange, but okay. This is not bad. I think this is a candle holder. Actually, like this pillar holder glass. There's some bigger pieces down here. That's more of the same things. Yeah. So I think this part of the store a bit more modern. It's stepping up, but guys, to me, like decor is art for me. So it has to speak to me. It has to jump out at me. It has to call my name. Like this actually called my name a bit. But yeah, these are some of the mirrors. Whoop. Yep, these are some of the mirrors they have. Oh, and see, hold it more on here, so lots more. And they also have these type of portraits. Aye. So yeah, you have these portraits. Alright, here are some more portraits, guys. I like this zebra one. I think it's a zebra, like an eye of a zebra. This one is not bad. Don't know if I like the color, but I love the actual painting. Oops. Yeah, that lady. This. More abstractish pieces. Yeah, so this is it. Probably for your bathroom. Or you like, if you have a dressing room, like a makeup room, that's cute. There's some more pieces here. Like fruit pieces, probably for your kitchen or dining. Oh my god. Guys, decor section busy. Sorry. Like very busy, like everybody up here. But this is some of the art. Let's just focus on art. I love abstract art. So here are some of the pieces. these planters. Yeah, I love this. I love this grass. Then they have more pots and planters around here. These pots are a little better. More plants. More plants, but kids are down here. Alright, so you have these clothes bins. These aren't bad. I like the burgundy ones. So these are for 8,000. So dirty clothes bin. You also have these design up here. This is for 9,000. It has the black, the gold. You also have like this bin. And then, yeah. I'm actually looking for like this type of design for like a big laundry bag with this. We don't have it though. And these are plants. They have these big plants also, which I really like. They're fake plants. I love these tones, guys. This is what I've been waiting for. I love these tones. So these big planters. Also have these ones. Guys, it's my first time vlogging, so I'm a bit shy. But yeah, here are some of the pieces on plants. What they have. Okay, so I found it. So I actually really want a room chair. So something like this. That is 50,000. Oh wow. But I like this. Yeah, this one. I don't really like that pattern. Yes. So yeah, they have a lot of furniture up here, guys. Here's like an overview. This is really unique. But wait, let's focus on the chairs. So you also have this chair, 134,000. End tables, same chair that I saw there, but this is in a blue shade. This is the red one. Ooh, this looks cozy, right? This looks super cozy. So this is the armless chair. This was 60. Like this. I really like the first one I seen, but 50,000, guys. Ooh, wait there. Okay, I like this. Hold on, I like this, guys. Isn't this so nice for your bedroom? This is wow, wow, wow. Well, I really like this though. I hope you're seeing it, like the tones, the shape of it's like, it's a nice seat. This no, it's nice. Yeah. Alright, so I definitely need a nice rug, but I mean nothing colorful like this. No, I need like a muted rug, nothing with too much patterns. So yeah, these all have big patterns on them, which I don't really like. Look at this one. This not so bad, you know, but still, I don't want no pattern. I want like the most muted rug. Ooh, this is cute. On the phone, it looks super bright, but really, it's very muted, this. But I'm loving this more. And the carpets are 30% off, guys. So I'm loving this one. Let's check out the price. Hold up. Guys, I'm not see the price. Hold on. I hope it's not sold. I'll update you on the price. But like this one that I saw when I go with the pattern, it's 38,500. And then I think after that you're gonna get 30% off. So yeah. This not so bad too. This not bad either. But I don't want too much patterns and prints. As you can see, this is how big they are for size reference. Alright, so these are some smaller ones. I guess you can put them in like your bedroom now, these ones. So there's a gold one. There's another leaf pattern print one. And guys, look at this colorful one. Wow. Like, to me, this is for a kid's room. I couldn't see me with this personally. And this is more of a traditional, like, don't like that. This is very me, but the thing is, it's the texture of it, it's rough, guys. This is not something soft to stand on. Then you also have this one. You have this pattern like a zebra. This again. There's, oh, I like this. I hope you've seen it. Like that one right there, I like it. And then you have some tones like this. I love this too. But the color, not really, but the design, yes. This one is 13,500 plus GCT, and I think you're going to get the 35% off with it. Yes, thank you. This is pretty. Oh yeah, this is a bonus one that I didn't see. Like, this is so nice. This carpet print, so nice. Right, so these are the cushions that they have. So you have this Swedish one, a little bit Swedish. This is for 4,500. You have these pattern ones. We have these bronze ones in the same pattern. That's cute. Have this. These aren't bad. These are 1,900, but it's a bit small. We have these fuzzy ones. We have these ones that match by the chairs that we saw. And these ones are 3,500. I have these with these fabric. And then you have the covers. Lord, I don't like them. I don't like them. None at all like them. No, the string, no. Hate them. Then you have some. When I look at this one. Alright, so we have this one with a lemon. It's very soft and flimsy to me. I don't like that. This one with a heart. Yeah, these are tough. But it's more modern. This one is 4,000. We have only this print. This print not bad. This print nice, guys. And this, I'm not seeing the price, but this print nice. The ones on there. Oh, this is outdoor. That's why I feel like that. It's outdoor, guys. So this is the outdoor ones. And then they have like tiles here. There's some more. And I guess these ones you can like stuff them. Yeah, not really seeing much that I like. I don't see anything that I like really in terms of cushions. Guys, I can't choose between these two mats. These are for kitchen. So we have all these other mats. I'm gonna have to come back another day to show you guys. There's so much and I didn't even realize. Like, look at this. Alright, this is not even funny. Alright, so the first thing I got was this trash can. It's a standard trash can, you know, you step on the pedestal thing here, it lifts up. This was $6,000. Alright, then we can move into the decor pieces. I got this pot with the stand. This was $3,000. I got the plant that I was showing you. I don't remember how much this was, but yeah, it's like a muted green. It almost gives off like a purple. Yeah, nice color. Then I got this pot, this vase here. So as you can see, it's like a head. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray paint these. Well, I'm going to paint these another color. I'm not keeping them in this color because I don't really like color in my home. The price tag was right here, so that's why it looks like that. And I don't remember how much I got this for. Probably $4,000. I think the most $4,000. Then I got these jars here that I can use to store like rice, pasta, flour. So yeah, this is how they look all the way around. So I think you can wear it like, you can have them like two sides. So see, it's like a vibe here with the gold, or you could just keep it like this. This was $2,200 and then it was 50% off, so $1,100 plus tax. Same for this. And then this little one, mini one, was okay. I guess I took off the price tag. Yeah, price tag is gone for the mini one, but it's gonna be less than these big ones, so yeah. And then I got like this well, it says fiber clay pot. This was $8,000, and then, you know, with the sale it was $4,000. This is really heavy, like it feels like concrete, and you can see it has like this concrete look, dirty look. Like, that's what it's supposed to look. It's not just dirty. But I think I'm gonna paint this, or I don't know, I may keep it in this white shade. And then I got the laundry basket that I showed you guys in the video that I said I bought. And I bought the area rug, and I think that's it. Yeah, so this was my haul from Dunn's.